Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix developer options are missing after update in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your developer options are missing, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing, you can go to settings app here and just go to the bottom of your screen here of your settings menu. You must see developer options here. But if you're having the issue that your developer options are not here, so you can try to search, go to search here and just search for developer options. But if you might see that your developer options are not available here, so it might be that they are disabled. So sometimes it might happen that once you updated the software, your developer options might be disabled automatically. So you can simply go to about phone section, go to software information, here you must see bill number. You just have made almost 7 clicks on it. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now just click OK from confirmation message. Developer mode is now enabled. Now just go back and in your main setting you must see developer options here. Now you can easily use your developer options from here. So in this way you can easily fix if your developer options are missing after update. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.